to my channel. And now let's go see what's inside IKEA. This is IKEA at Oslo. Let's go see what's inside. This is the IKEA restaurant on the second floor. Here's the shopping cart area and the plastic utensils. Then it's the utensil section. There are glass jars and other boxes as classified as utensils. Action. Our work wasn't. What are you doing? This is the bedroom area. There we can find bed sheets, pillows, cushiony seats, and lots of other stuff, such as chairs. This is the bedroom section. There are pillows, blankets, covers, cushions, and fluffy chairs, and lots of other stuff. Including other stuff that are also in the market. Different designs. This is the mat section. Here they sell mats of all different shapes and colors and sizes with prices of hundreds and thousands. This is the bathroom section. Here they sell stools and soap placing, brushes, mats, toilet cleaners. This is the bathroom section. Here they sell baskets and stools, mats, cleaning brushes, toilet paper rolls. Electronics section. Here they keep light bulbs, lamps, light bulb sockets, cables, batteries, and baskets. This is the furniture section. Here they sell chairs, tables, mirrors, and lots of other things. There's so many you can't tell what they are.